Welcome back to the channel. My name is Donnie. In today's video, we're going to be looking at my 7000 series Quickjacks. See if it actually lift this truck. This truck here, the heaviest Tundra, four-wheel drive, is about 5,800 pounds curb weight. So we'll see how it does. But with this little car, it has no problem doing it at all. You just sit down and come back down. It's pretty quick. The jacks are extremely heavy on one side. This side here, this side over here, it actually has some wheels that are gonna help you move it and everything like that. But yeah, I don't know how much they weigh, but they are crazy, crazy heavy. So Quickjack sells these extensions for trucks. Okay, these are sold separately. We're gonna try the blocks first, and then if that doesn't work, we're gonna go to the extensions, and you'll see why we're gonna actually need to use these instead. All right, so it comes with two different sizes of blocks. I have some adapters for my car here. These are pinch rail adapters for the old car there. If I don't use these, it ends up crushing the pinch rail. Okay, so with the Tundra here, we're gonna use the tallest blocks and see what height it gives me. You just get them, place them in there. All right, so I got everything in position, and all you gotta do is hit up. And let's see what that does. I think, you can go back and look at the specs, but I think the max height is like 24 inches, I think, something like that. It might be a little bit more, I don't really remember. But that really doesn't matter, we're just gonna see what it can actually do. And once you get that high, you kinda wanna go and check to make sure everything's lined up before you go any further. Just don't get underneath the car. All right, so I'm glad I stopped where I did, because on the Toyota Tundra, it has this center brace right in the middle there, and it is hitting the Quickjacks, okay? So I'm gonna have to double stack the blocks to clear that, okay? Okay, so double stack blocks. Let's see what she's got. All right, so the double blocks is high enough to get the tires off the ground, definitely, but it looks super sketchy back here that I don't recommend it, that you're gonna have to use the truck adapters, because this looks like it's about to fall over. So it has these safety locks here that you gotta undo to be able to lower it. Whew. Alright, so here's the truck adapter. Okay, it comes with an extension here. If you don't need it that tall, you can go this tall here. But that square part mounts in the frame. That touches the car. You need it taller. Boom. It's an absolute must with this truck. Alright, lift locks on. Check everything, make sure everything was cool. Put the first set of locks there, so you can actually stop at this height. That's perfect height to go ahead and rotate the tires if you want to. We'll go with max height and I'll measure it. This feels a lot safer. Put it down. Okay, you take all the pressure out of the system, and it sits on the locks, and you're good to go. I'll go get the measuring tape. All right, so as far as the front clearance goes, it's clearly enough for me to get underneath it and do like a transmission if I really wanted to. You're looking at about 23.5. With the adapters, it works perfect and it feels pretty safe. Perfect height to rotate some tires. It's like high enough now to do whatever. Need some brakes. There's plenty of room now to get over here. All right, great driveway option. All right, well that's the Quickjacks with my Toyota Tundra. Has no issue actually lifting it at all. It's just the you got to use the truck adapters. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next video.